My name is Cassidy Smith. I am the People Operations Manager here at Technology Navigators. Technology Navigators is a specialized firm focused on technology and IT staffing. We work with clients in Austin to find their next potential hire, and we work with candidates in Austin to find their next great opportunity. Our layout before working with CultureSpace was very outdated. We actually had cubicles, so they were taller than I am. They were pretty large, but really restricted us from collaborating, working as an integrated team.
With the change, with taking all the walls out, adding in the new furniture, getting rid of kind of the height of some of the old cubicles that we had and putting in more modern, streamlined cubes, it's definitely made it feel a lot bigger, and you notice a lot more spaces that you had in the office that you didn't feel like you did before.
Since you all have come and totally opened this up, there's just a lot more collaboration and communication with our team. The feeling of it is very comfortable. I mean, walking into an office, you know almost immediately, is this a place I would want to go in every day? And I'll also commend you all on the speed at which it was done and how clean everything was kept during the process. Yeah, it was impressive.
Seeing your guys' portfolio, seeing your website, working with you guys just for the first month or two just to get maps down. It was easy, it was seamless, it was exciting, extremely adaptable with any of our requests that we wanted. We stayed in budget. It was just all of the things. It was exactly the type of relationship that you would want with someone who is redesigning an entire space for a company. It's vibrant and it's inviting and it's everything that we wanted it to be. And it also really accentuates Austin in all of its forms. We've got views of the water and the bridge and downtown, and without CultureSpace, we would not have had that. We would have had outdated cubicles that obstructed the view. So it encourages all to get in and get our work done, do it well.